Hi, hi, hi. Straight to the point. This video is about UI UX design. Basically, it is in the business side. That's why I'm trying to speak in English. So at the same time, I can improve my UX design skills and communication skills. Sorry, not a communication skills. English speaking. To be honest, I would be comfortable by speaking in Telugu. I'm really feeling. Uh, I'm not being comfortable by speaking in English. That's the main point. Here, what I'm going to say or what I'm going to do in this video is, yeah, I already know what is UX design, what is UI design. If you want to know what is UI design, what is UX design, Google it or search in YouTube. You will get a good videos. This video is all about developing my UI UX design skill from the scratch. Means I already have working in company as a UI UX designer, UI designer, UX designer, product designer, whatever people say. I'm working under one of those things. Um Here, the video is about how I'm going to become the expert in UX design. And the main point, there is a lot of design process. Means if you search like what is UI UX design and what is the design process, you will get a lot of design processes. Like each video will have a different design process. And in the design process, first step itself, the UX research. For that, there are a lot of UX design, UX research processes, and a lot of things. Means there is no end to it, or there is no structured way to do a UX research or anything. So it's like having their own style of working to solve the problem. Yeah. Overall, the main point of the UX design is the solving problem on the design perspective, user perspective, or to say, yeah, user experience, and how the design looks. That is the responsibility of a UX designer to complete it. Means whatever the designer user experience come English. Yeah, whatever problem comes under design in any department, use UX designer has to solve that. That is what my understand in current state. In future it may change. So I started googling, and in googling or searching videos. Yeah, I know the basic process for UX research. It means UX design process. Means first UX research, getting inputs, and defining the problem, brainstorming, and finding the solution, and after that designing the prototype or wireframing, and after finalizing the design, developmenting process. During the development process, in actual scenario, if they face any design related user experience problems, we have to again do the research on particular problem, and we have to start that from that. Like again, doing research, collecting data, and defining the problem, and brainstorming, finalizing the solution, and implementing on the wireframing and prototype, and again implementing on the actual design. Is it solve the problem or not? It will definitely solve the problem, because where we are not directly implementing on the actual development part, we are doing all the researches to save the time on the development side. So on the development part, where they can directly develop the feature or the user process which has been confirmed by all these processes. Main thing is, other than the problem solving, because for problem solving we have a team and we have everyone, from PM to client. We will have a brainstorming session and to clear the problem. Our main goal is how can we link all these things. We will get the problem solutions from all the sides. We have to link all the solutions and make sense. make it complete. So that's the process, overall UI UX design process. So but we cannot we not sorry I cannot read that from like a textbook side. From let's start from the UX research. What is the UX research? How many types of UX researches are there? At what time? What kind of research we have to select? That's some kind of boring. During this, I mean, so during writing the content for this video itself, boring. But yeah. So thought it would be better if I start it right away, like learning by doing things. So I selected alarm app. So to redesign already existing alarm app in the markets in the Play Store. So it will be easy. So I choose this easy alarm app. So I at least my mind will accept to start the video, to make the content for it. Okay, it is an alarm app, it will be easy, let's start the video. That's why I choose the alarm app. Then based upon these YouTube videos where they said a lot of things I didn't understand. I means it's not like I didn't get that. Means okay, this is what they are trying to say, okay, let's follow that. My It's not like following what. Okay, I choose the alarm app. So how or where I have to start, means what is the starting process? UX research, I know. What kind of research, what is the starting point? So I don't know. So I started just by googling what is the current top alarm apps in the market. And I get few things. Means by that, what I do, I have to install all the apps and check every feature which is best, which is not best. It may be from the my perspective, but I cannot get in general problems. Means what are the main problems in the alarm app, and what are the things we can improve in that particular alarm app. So I started no started so I తెలుగులో మాట్లాడంటే ఇప్పటికి అయిపోయి ఉంటుంది వీడియో. సో ఐ స్టార్టెడ్ యూజింగ్ ChatGPT. Yeah. Where I directly asked what are the things we need to improve the alarm app, and what is the current things which are lacking in the alarm app. So it gave me a few useful points, lot of points, where I read few of them and where I didn't read all of them. So in this video I have to read them quickly and finalize the things which will be added in the coming videos, where I complete the research and finalize the features, what are the things need to be there, and what are the colors, what are the features need to be added. Then provide framing, prototyping. Yeah, that is the overall process. For this video we are going to see the research part, how much I have covered for this. Is my research is completed? I don't know, is it completed or not? I'm not even sure about that, is it the correct way or not. So to know, first we have to mess up things. So yeah, so I started. The first it gave me time waste అవుతుంది. Okay, first suggestion is like personalization and AI integration. Means by incorporating the AI, use the sleeping patterns preferences. Okay, based upon we may set alarm for 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock, but we slept at 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, and we wake up at 6 or alarm will ring at 6 o'clock, but we wake up at 7, 8 or 9. Yeah, that will be the usual case. In that time, based upon that, AI will calculate the means that app needs to have the access. Is the mobile is in sleeping mode, or is it in actual mode? Means it cannot means mobile cannot know that we slept or not. Means we may keep the phone beside, but we may not sleep. So but in between we may get calls. In between suddenly we want to see something, some information, just for 10 seconds or 20 seconds, so we see it, and we will switch off. So based upon the time duration we set, this is the time range where I get where I go to sleep. So based upon the time range, or else how the app will know that we are going to sleep. Yeah, that's the main problem point. We need to think about that, like how an alarm app know that we are sleeping now. By using a health band. Let's have a health band and without health band. Yeah, and the second point itself, it gave that based upon the machine learning and advanced sensors, if we keep all these things, the mobile cost will be increased. We have to focus by using the app itself. We need to cover all these things. Next is by wearing the smartwatches and fitness bands. First of all, I don't like wearing watches while sleeping. So I don't even like to wear shorts or night pants. I use lungi, which is more comfortable. Like those people will all be there. Will be there who don't wear smartwatches or fitness pants, who wear like lungi. That's the main thing here. And another point. Okay, they give that solution, means another stage is like a holistic health integration based upon those wearables, like health bands and smartwatches. It will track our sleep quality. How can it calculate the sleep quality based upon the heartbeat? It is internal process. How can a smartwatch can know that? Okay, for now let's keep that aside. Next, based upon the heart rate and the activity level, what activity we will do at night times? Activities, good activities. And stress, how can it will calculate the stress based upon the heartbeat? Okay, then we have lot type of means various types of stresses. Stress from family, stress from office, stress from people who lie, but we cannot say in front of them. Stress while seeing our salary, and it will suggest meditations and exercises, mental health tips to start the day positively. If I without the app also, I know I have to do exercises, meditations for a healthy lifestyle. So if my alarm app will suggest, will I do it immediately? No. Anyway, lazy people means I'm a lazy basically I'm a lazy guy, so lazy people won't follow that. So by showing these are the tips, will they follow? Means which is based upon the AI calculating only the heartbeat from the smartwatches. It suggests few exercises. Will it be valid? Okay, including the health part, we need to think about that. Enhanced user engagement. Yeah, enhanced user engagement, where they mentioned that we usually, if alarm clock started ringing, we will use a lock button, and we will do just swipe up or swipe down in half sleep. Here they're mentioning by giving a personalized puzzles or anything which activates their brain to shut down, brain to active to off the alarm clock by solving the puzzle. Yeah, that's okay, but I will simply long press the power button and switch off the phone if it is asking the puzzle to off the alarm clock or anything. Yeah, one thing I forgot, as a UX designer, this is an essential thing. Now it's fine. Better customization option. They gave that we can give an access for a customizable alarm sounds, nature sounds, custom recordings. So by the starting the day itself, what they like layouts, apps, themes, and everything. For example, for an alarm clock, we kept an Sunny Leone wallpaper. Means if alarm clocks activates, you will see a Sunny Leone wallpaper. What would happen in the morning? That is the main problem. So we have to think about it also. And social and collaborative features, shared alarm clocks. This thing I like, means of like a social media, we can connect with the friends, and we will have a changeover. Like, okay, we'll start having a good sleep, start timely sleeping by having a proper sleep throughout the have daily routine. Having means starting a daily routine to have a proper sleep. Yeah, by connecting with people, they each other, they know, yeah, you slept on time and you slept on you didn't, like that. We can have an interaction. They can have their whatever they want to do. Social connecting friends, mutual encouragement, accountability. Yeah, they will have an accountability. So our best fellow friend is also doing it. If he doing good, what will be, I'm a big best fellow or worst fellow. So that ego will be triggered, and we will follow the correct time. Basic thing, making the app user friendly and aesthetically look, means it has to look good. As a human mind, white people don't lie, or people who are beautiful, they are innocent. Yeah, that's what we see in the social media. If traditional heroine started item songs, why she is doing that? She is so good in that movie. Why she is doing this kind of songs in this movie? She is damaging her image. Bongo ಈಗೆಂದುಗ emergency contacts and alerts, integrating features to quickly contact emergencies. Here this is the fail mechanism. Like if we set an alarm, but phone charging percentage is very low, so app will calculate it, how long it will go. Will it long last up to the set alarm clock will activate? If it's not, it will shut down based upon the charging charge it has to. It will switch off automatically, and it will switch on at that particular time. If it is in low battery, it will calculate itself and shut down based upon the charge. And emergency contact alert, like connecting a person. If we don't wake up at the alarm, and alarm is also screaming to wake me up or wake someone to wake, but they are not, but they are sleeping like a pig. It will call the person which we have, which call the person whoever we tag in the app. So they will continuously annoyed, who are disciplined, woke up early morning and do their job properly. And they will be annoyed and they will come and uh, yeah, uh, they will help us to wake up by kicking, by pouring water on our face, by giving a WWE smack, yeah, whatever they feel comfortable to wake us up. And these are the things which has given. And I used Microsoft Copilot AI also to get a few other features, need to finalize. But to what I have figured means, I selected an app and I don't know what to do to improve or anything. So I started exploring in internet and ChatGPT. What is this process called? I used ChatGPT to ask what is this process called. It gave me that it is called an exploratory. Come on, dude, load. Exploratory research. This is called in the UX research. This is the first step in the design process. In the UX research, I started exploratory research with a lot of unknowns to know, to pinpoint few things. What are the things I have to improve? What are the things I have to know? So this is first stage of the UX research is exploratory research, and I have to do few things on that research and finalize what are the things will be good to add, and also do some brainstorms. We will see it on another video. But bye.